You got more duct tape, that's all I got.
That's all I got.
That's all that matters.
I
got it going. Who got jumper cables?
You don't even need that.
You don't think so? Tape it. Let's see what we got.
I don't think so. You gotta video this?
Hell yes.
Hey, will you please put a caption in there?
You guys are verbally captioning and it's got sound.
Sean does it again.
Should have had it going when
Hey,
you're
I'm
all
for
talking
hire.
about bananas.
Yeah. What, buddy? Don't break nothing.
No, I'm not gonna. I want to keep it in one.
Yeah.
I'll put that on YouTube. That should be a great YouTube video here.
Are we gonna just preemptively tape the other side?
This is rednecking.
Anybody got any bubble gum?
Yeah, this one's packed in too.
Use duct tape, we can use some bubble gum too.
I got another strap.
Another strap.
Even Lucky, even Natsu got himself
Yeah, this right there. That other rapid, the danger ring. Rapid or strap feeder right there.
Wrap it right around the axle.
No, the four bearings that went back. They get a heat.
Do we want to ratchet strap this one?
Probably.
Where's that other ratchet in?
It's in the back of my truck.
That's not a ratchet strap. Yeah, it works. It makes it straight.
This is more laughing at Sean than you, Kyle.
Enough.
Your drains kind of sucks ass.
That's the only ticket I've ever got.
Hey, Zach.
I'm
going all the way out.
excited that duct tape and ratchet strap looks better than tack welds.
That's the only ticket I've ever gotten. On my old Jeep, not having friggin' mud flaps on it. The tires stuck out too far.
No, go all the way around the axle. All the way around. No, drop it. No, that way.
That's right. It is, man.
I should have brought my ratchet strap.
Nope.
No.
All the way around the axle.
Oh, okay.
I got like 4 now.
Then hook it on itself. No, on the other hook.
This one?
Yeah.
No, you know what's funny? I remember.
No bolt. Tap it.
Hey, man. I think I probably did that like a month ago.
Damn.
Well, I'd say sorry, but you know, it really isn't that big a deal. So, until something really gnarly happens, then I'll hold it.
You still got your M&M said.